Welcome to My Project Ideas. This is an ongoing series on SAP UI5 projects, and in this video, we'll learn how to integrate WhatsApp API into SAP UI5. So, certainly, you need to have the WhatsApp API information. Just to be clear, that we are not going to create APIs, we are going to use something called click to chat WhatsApp API option. There is one more way where you actually register for business WhatsApp integration, and that we can discuss in a different video itself. You need to have IDE access. It can be Notepad++, Visual Studio, Business Application Studio, or Web IDE. And then certainly you have to have business like a basic knowledge of SAP UI5. So let's jump to the article. So we have written an article, and the article link will be added in the video description. So in this article, we have covered all the theoretical part as well as the coding section. So we have written the code, how to implement it, and how the output looks. So now we can jump to the coding part. So before we discuss the coding, so as like WhatsApp also provides their own documentation. The link of this documentation will be added in the description of the video, and you can use this description to read more and learn more about WhatsApp integrations. So what we have created is like we have just a simple input box where we'll take the number, a simple input box where we'll take the text, an image that is clickable, and the WhatsApp image like is added. Like if you see, this is the image, this chat on WhatsApp. Same image we have just downloaded and saved inside the view folder like this. That's why we are calling the view folder and then the image. And whenever someone clicks here, he will go to this particular function. And the very first text is to just find the number. Second one is to find the value of the text. And once you get these values, you can use the WhatsApp API. So WhatsApp has provided two different APIs. One is for mobile phone. It means using this, you can open the WhatsApp in the mobile phone, and you can just go to WhatsApp chat, wa.me, and then you provide a number and you provide text. Since we need it, for the web application, because as SAP UI5 is mainly a web application, so we can use the WhatsApp web API, where the structure is almost similar. We will replace wa.me with web.whatsapp.com/send ?phone, and then you provide the number, and also you can provide a text after it. So ultimately you create a URL. So URL can be created in two different ways, one for mobile phones and one for web applications. So both code is shared, and then you just call this particular SAP URL helper. It means it opens up the URL that you provide, and when you say true, it opens up in a new tab. That's it. So we'll just take this number. I've also added this number so that we can use it for example, and run this application. Great. So you have to enter a number with country code. We have added it. +91 is for India. You can replace it with your own country code, or even for better UX, better user experience, you can create a drop down with the different country codes. But then you have to append it manually. We are just passing the value as number. Then you have to manually add whatever the person has chosen in the drop down. Add the number that is entered, and there should be no space in the number. So that also you can use some regular expressions regex to replace those spaces. And yeah, that's the user experience can be enhanced based upon the requirement. And you can ask, so this is a number of HDFC bank in India. So hey bank, I have a question regarding transaction, and this is the transaction. You can do number something. So we have just added any number like this. So this thing can be like triggered directly from the UI5 application. When you click on chat.whatsapp, so this ultimately calls this, generates this URL, and then just redirect to this particular URL. So one more prerequisite is there, that you have to like be logged in on WhatsApp web. Otherwise, it will ask you to log in. Since I was already logged in, so it went directly to the HDFC Bank Limited. You see, and whatever content I've added there is appearing here also. And you can just press enter, and your WhatsApp chat will start. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you.